everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all safe, guys. Stay at home and stay safe. Now this video is very different. You have seen it from the title. In today's video I'm going to discuss the 30-day salad challenge I took. Yes guys, you heard it right, I took a 30-day salad challenge, and if you want to know more about it, let's get started. Before I dive into the reasons why I took this challenge, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it so that you can be updated with all my latest videos. Guys, that really means a lot to me, so please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So in this video, not only I'm going to discuss the reasons why I took this challenge, but also share 2 recipes which stood out the most to me and I enjoyed eating it, and also my final results or verdict of this 30-day challenge I took. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first reason was to learn how to create some very delicious recipes of salads, salads which do not suck and are not disgusting. So to really learn how to make some awesome salads. 2, very basic and very simple and very common, to incorporate healthy, wholesome food in my diet. 3, to add some extra fibers. 4, and this is really true, to literally fall in love with salads so that I can easily make them and still can enjoy them and they turn out to be really delicious. So these were all my reasons why I took this challenge. So some of the pointers I would like to add here. Before I started out with the challenge, I decided to take buy most of the stuff needed for the dressings, all the oils and vinegar and stuff, which I'm going to show you later. And also I looked and searched for some easy peasy delicious recipes so that I could really get started with the challenge and not just make salad for the first day and think about it, oh, what I'm going to do for the next day. I was really prepared for it. So these are the pointers you can take care of if you're thinking to do the same. Not only this, but I also added an accountability partner for this challenge, my best friend, my closest friend, my girlfriend, whatever name you would like to call, and we decided to do this challenge together. But the thing is, guys, don't force anybody who doesn't want to take up a challenge, whether it's workout, food or anything. She also really wanted to try out different salad recipes, and she also wanted to incorporate salads in her diet. So it was just like a match, boom, and we thought it to do it together. This step not only made sure that I was totally committed to this 30-day salad challenge, but we could also share some recipes, so the whole workload was not on just one person. We both were looking for recipes, we both were trying different recipes, and that's how things were much easier. I was also sharing all these recipes on Instagram as well, on my Instagram stories, so you can follow me there as well. My Instagram handle is thismighthelp.emh. So the salad challenge really started on a good note and it started out real well. But then the whole pandemic thing happened, and groceries were low and things were bad, and oh my god. So my 30-day salad challenge actually turned into a 20 to 25 days because I had to repeat few of the salads because I was actually buying in bulk, and also then it was very difficult to get hold of groceries. So maybe it was not a good thing to start this challenge while we were in the pandemic, but it was not that worse when we started it. And after that it was difficult for her to get the groceries as well, so we gave it a halt. But we still have results. We still did it for good 20 to 25 days, and I thought, why not share it with you guys. And now my experience with really having the salads. This is like my first salad of 30-day salad challenge, and I'm already getting the vibes. This is going to be really tasty. Oh my god, this is so nice. Now the thing was, when I just started, I had no idea how to really start with salads and what would go with what. So the research work was really important, and after that buying the necessary ingredients was the next step. But what I learned eventually after having salad every single day was, salads do not need to be boring or do not need to starve you. Salads can be wholesome, so use different veggies, use colorful veggies, add some carb, proteins, and top it up with some seeds and nuts. And also try different leaves, just not the iceberg lettuce. Use some spinach, kale, add some natural sweetness and sourness with some berries like strawberries, blueberries. Basically just play around till you really love what works for you. So the two recipes I absolutely loved and enjoyed. I'm going to show you in the next two clips. This is an easy salad recipe. The dressing is inspired from a blog my friend shared with me. And I'm going to put the link to the blog in the description box below if you're interested. Like I said, I tweaked it a bit. Let's make the dressing first. For that, I used 1 teaspoon of smooth roasted 100% natural peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of reduced soya sauce, but use whatever is available really. 1 teaspoon of white rice vinegar, use any. 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, some red chili flakes, freshly grounded black pepper, and a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. I used only a teeny tiny amount of red chili flakes because I'm not really a spicy fan, but if you would like, you can add more chili flakes. Finally added a half freshly squeezed lemon. Mix all the ingredients well till you get an even consistency and leave it for a bit. And now for the salad, really all I did was put together all that was available at home. So I used half English cucumber, 3 carrots, small ones, and then I just chopped and diced them. The key is to get them really fine so that when you eat it, it doesn't feel like you have a lot to chew. Next, I used half a head of iceberg lettuce. Make sure you really finely chop it so that when you're eating, it is easily coming in bitefuls and you're not struggling. Once all is prepped, put everything in a salad bowl, add the dressing we prepared earlier, top up with some walnuts, and voila, you are done. Absolutely delicious. I really use this dressing in whatever vegetables I have at home, and so far I am just loving it. To the second recipe. This is super easy and super yum and a good way to incorporate greens in your diet. I enjoy this recipe so much that I at least have it once every week. All you need is a broccoli head, asparagus. First thing first, chop it into fine bits. Boil it for 2 to 3 minutes and put it in icy cold water. After that, all I do is saute it with some black pepper, salt, and finely chopped garlic. When it's all soft and tender, just add half a freshly squeezed lemon and you are done. It's super delicious. Sometimes if I have Brussels sprouts, I roast them and add it in it as well. This also tastes really good. All you need to do is put some olive oil, pepper and salt. Mix it well and put it in the oven, and oh my god, they will taste so good that you'll fall in love with Brussels sprouts. Guys, give it a shot, you'll really enjoy them, and let me know in the comment box below if you try them. This clip is all the recipes shared by her during this 30-day salad challenge, and she also had super fun doing it. So my result with this 30-day salad challenge was I was really enjoying salads. I was really enjoying the fact that I could incorporate more wholesome, nutritious food into my diet and every single day. Physically, I also lost 1 to 2 kgs while I was eating clean and I was incorporating these salads into my diet. And also, I felt less bloated and overall, I felt very light and happy. So, food really can control your mood, guys. I thoroughly enjoyed all the days and I'm still eating a lot of veggies and I'm really enjoying this phase and this thing of really getting into and eating salads and just trying out new dishes. That was really a thumbs up and I thoroughly enjoyed doing this salad challenge, which brings me to the point that I was thinking to start a series where I would take up few challenges and share my experiences with you guys. Let me know in the comment box below if you have any ideas. This brings me to the end of this video. If you like this video, you know the drill, guys. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it and you will join the notification squad and you will be the first one to know I have uploaded videos. I'll be back next Thursday with another video. Stay safe and stay at home, guys. We'll get through this. Stay strong and bye-bye.